In this video, I'll guide you through how to record your whole scheme in OBS Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To record your whole scheme using OBS Studio, at the beginning, you download and install OBS app on your computer. Once you complete the download process, then click on this plus icon to add a scene. Now give this a scene name and hit OK. Now you need to add source for the scenes. To add your source, you click on this plus icon, and if you want to capture your whole display, then click on display capture and give this a name and hit OK. Now you need to keep this automatic and set your display. Now click on OK. And if you want to record your desktop audio, then you can enable this or keep as it is. And if you want to add a audio source, then click on this plus icon and click on audio input capture. Now give this a name and hit OK. Now choose your audio recording device and hit OK. On the next step, you need to do some basic settings. So click on settings and tap on output. On this section, you need to choose your recording path. That's mean where all the pre-record video will be stored. To choose the storage, you need to click on browse and choose the folder where all of the record video will be stored. Then click on video and click on the drop-down box and choose the maximum resolution and hit OK. Once you do all of these settings, then click on Start Recording button. Then the screen recording process will be start. Once you finish with that, then click on Stop Recording. By following this tutorial, you can easily record your whole screen in OBS Studio.